Morning, children. Welcome to online class. Okay, are you ready with your textbook? See here, वर्ण की ध्वनि, sounds of letters. A से अनार, a pomegranate. A से अमरूद, a गोवा. A से आम, a mango. A से आग, a fire. E से इमली, tamarind. E से इमारती, इमारती. E से E से eat, sugarcane. E से ईसा, Jesus. U से उल्लू, an owl. U से उस्तरा, aerosol. U से ऊन, उलन. O से ऊंट, a camel. ऋ से ऋषि, a saint. A से एड़ी, a heel. A से एकतारा, a musical instrument. I से ऐनक, spectacles. I से ऐरावत, elephant. O से ओकली, mortar. O से ओढ़नी, a veil. औ से औरत, woman. औ से औषधि, medicine. से अंगूर, grapes. से langur and app. Aha. Here, read the vowels aloud. Okay. A, E, U, Ru, A, I, O, Ow, Aha. Take the first page again. A से अनार, a pomegranate. A से अमरूद, a गोवा. A से आम, a mango. A से आग, a fire. E से इमली, tamarind. E से इमारती, इमारती. E से ईख, sugarcane. E से ईसा, Jesus. U से उल्लू, an owl. O से उस्तरा, aerosol. U से ऊन, उल. U से ऊंट, a camel. ऋ से ऋषि, a saint. A से एकतारा, a musical instrument. A से एड़ी, a heel. I से ऐनक, spectacles. I से ऐरावत, elephant. O से ओकली, a mortar. O से ओढ़नी, a veil. औ से औषधि, medicine. औ से औरत, a woman. से अंगूर, grapes. से langur and app. Aha. A, E, U, Ru, A, I, O, Ow, Aha. Take page number 12. See here, Vyanjan, consonants. These letters are called Vyanjan, means consonant letters. Ka से कबूतर, a pigeon. Ka से कमल, lotus. ख से खरगोश rabbit. ख से खरबूजा a muskmelon. ग से गमला a flower pot. ग से गधा a donkey. घ से घर a house. घ से घड़ी a watch. Nya. Take the first page again. A से अनार a pomegranate. A से अमरूद a guava. आ से आम a mango. आ से आग a fire. ई से इमली tamarind. ई से इमारती इमारती. ई से ईट sugarcane. ई से ईसा Jesus. ऊ से उल्लू an owl. ऊ से उस्तरा a razor. ऊ से ऊन उल. ऊ से ऊंट a camel. र से ऋषि a saint. ए से एड़ी a heel. ए से एकतारा a musical instrument. I से ऐनक spectacles. I से ऐरावत elephant. ओ से ओकली mortal. ओ से ओढ़नी a veil. औ से औरत woman. औ से औषधि medicine. अम से अंगूर grapes. अम से लंगूर and app. आहा आ आ ई उ ऊ रू ए आई ओ औ आहा. क से कबूतर a pigeon. क से कमल lotus. ख से खरगोश a rabbit. ख से खरबूजा a muskmelon. ग से गमला a flower pot. ग से गधा a donkey. घ से घर a house. घ से घड़ी a watch. न्या. च से चटाई mat. च से चम्मच a spoon. च से चटाई a mat. च से चम्मच a spoon. छ से छतरी an umbrella. छ से छड़ी a stick. ज से जग a jug. ज से जहाज a ship. झ से झंडा a flag. झ से झरना a waterfall. न्या. Read once again. च से चटाई a mat. च से चम्मच a spoon. छ से छतरी an umbrella. छ से छड़ी a stick. ज से जग a jug. ज से जहाज a ship. झ से झंडा a flag. झ से झरना a waterfall. न्या. Now, last class, we have finished up to Ru, isn't it? Last class, we have finished up to O, letter O. Up to O, we have finished. Today, we'll write Au, Aha. See here, Swar. Swar means vowels. These letters are called vowel letters. How many letters are there in this vowel letters here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many letters are there? There are 13 letters in vowels. Okay, how many letters are there? 13 letters. Swar means vowels. A, I, O, U, Ru, E, I, O, Ow, Aha. I, Ru, E, I, O, Ow, Aha. Now how to write ow? How to write ow? See here, touch the board, touch 2 lines, write 3 like this, then slipping line, then standing line. So this one becomes a. Okay, one more standing line if you write, it becomes a. Then slipping line, then you have to give matra for this. Two like this. Okay, two curve like this. You have to touch to the second line. Au se, aurat. Au se, aurat. Au se, aurat. Au se, aurat. Woman. Okay, like this, touch 2 lines and write 3 like this. Slipping line, 2 standing lines, then again slipping line and touch both the things to this second line. You should not write like this. Here 1 and here 1. This is wrong. Understand? Like this. Touch both the lines. Slipping line. Again standing line. One more standing line. Slipping line. And touch to the second line and give like this line. You have to write full page like this. 2 standing lines. Au se, aurat. Now you have to write just like only. See here, curve, one more curve, go up, slipping line, standing line, again small slipping line like this, and keep a dot above the line. Understand? Like this. Say angur, grapes. Say angur, grapes. See once again. Like this. 3. Go up. Slipping line. Standing line. Again slipping line. And keep the dot above the line. Understand? You have to keep the dot above the line, not in the side. This is wrong. You have to keep the dot above the line. Then this is ow, like this. Again, keep the dot. Again, 3, go up, slipping line, standing line, slipping line, keep the dot here. Now, we have to write next letter. What is the next letter? Aha. Which letter is that? Aha. So, touch both the lines and write 3 like this. Slipping line, standing line, again slipping line. Now where to keep the dots? Where the dots are? It is above the line? No, it is next to the line. Here, next to the line. So you have to keep the dot, 2 dots in the side, like this. Aha! Touch both the lines, like this. Go up. Slipping line, standing line, again small slipping line, and keep the dot next to the line. Okay? You should not write like this, here and here. No, this is wrong. When you write like this, you have to keep the dot next to the line only. Understand? You have to write full page. For aha, there is no picture. Okay, for aha, no picture, only the letter. Okay, like this. Keep the dot. Again, touch both the lines. Write like this. Slipping line. Again standing line. Again slipping line. Keep the dot. Okay, now all the vowel letters are finished up to aha. See here, swar, vowels. E, U, Ru, A, I, O, Ow, aha. Even in your textbook also, you have got first page. See here, Varnamala, Hindi, alphabets. Here, swar, vowels. E, U, Ru, A, I, O, Ow, aha. Vyanjan, consonants. Vyanjan means consonant letters. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nya. Cha, cha, ja, jha, nyang. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Okay, ka, kha, ga, gha, nya. Cha, cha, ja, Jha, nya. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Okay. Now, this Hindi homework. Hindi homework. Like this. First is touch the line and write. 3 like this. Slipping line. 2 standing line. Again slipping line. Then write Ow. Ow say Aurat. Woman. You have to write full page. Okay, you have to draw the lines and write neatly. Okay. Don't draw the lines with the red pen. You have to draw the lines with the pencil. You have to use pencil to draw the lines. You should not draw the lines for book. In the book, you should not draw the lines with the pen. You don't use the pen. Use only the pencil. You have to draw the lines also with the pencil only. Understand? I'll say Aurat, woman. I'll say Aurat. Like this, you have to write full page. Then next letter is Next letter is Okay. Write 3 like this. Slipping line. Standing line, small slipping line, and keep the dot above the line. Understand? Like this. 3, slipping line, standing line, again slipping line, keep the dot above the line. Ow, aha. Write 3 like this. Go up, slipping line, standing line, again slipping line, and next to this line keep the 2 dots. Aha! Understand? Like this. Aha! Like this you have to write. Okay, children, this is your homework and this is your classwork. Don't draw the pictures, write only the letters. Understand? You have to write this one in the classwork side and this one is in the homework side. Okay, children? Again, in the next class, we will continue the next letter. Okay? Thank you, children.